Away they go. Strike fourth from the outside is Golden Square down on the inside. Rising up Balenganda new chapter. An amazing act down on the inside. Balenganda new chapter. Mr. Godfather. Down on the inside is amazing act. Entry number 7. Bullseye in the middle. Golden Square racing in 6 alongside Charlie's Word. Then comes Risk Taker. Strike force formidable. Ella Fearless. Entry number 10. And this one is Bombardier. While entry number 9 is running at the table field, Mike Some Lady. As they raise the corner, Mr. Godfather, Golden Square, new chapter, Charlie's World. A long shot as they raise the final corner. It's now Golden Square by a length and a half, followed by new chapter, amazing act down on the inside, Mr. Godfather. And during the last 100 meters more to run, Golden Square by a length and a half, Risk Taker by the run, Mr. Godfather. Golden Square, Mr. Godfather, and finally Golden Square, Mr. Godfather, Risk Taker, Charlie's Word, formidable Ella. Strike force for your Super Sais.
Munti ka